Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll be discussing Uniswap, a decentralized exchange that facilitates direct trade between users without the need for a trusted third party. Uniswap uses the constant product market maker model, based on an earlier version of a platform called Automated Market Maker, AMM. The liquidity pools or deposits that dealers can swap in deals are maintained by AMM, which are smart contracts. A liquidity provider participates in the pool and contributes 2 tokens of equal value. These tokens may be either 2 ERC20 tokens, 1 ERC20 token, or 1 ETH token. One of the unique features of Uniswap is that it is funded entirely by user contributions, and all fees are paid directly to the users who provide liquidity. The network charges a transaction fee of 0.3% of each trade to the liquidity providers, and the proportionate shares of the trading fees are allocated accordingly. Uniswap runs on the Ethereum blockchain, which means that it necessitates using Ethereum to pay gas fees. However, due to Ethereum's success and its overcrowded network, fees increase and transaction times lengthen. Despite these challenges, the Uniswap team has already released an enhanced Uniswap v2 protocol and is working hard on Uniswap v3. In the future, some trading fees may be invested in furthering Uniswap's capabilities. To participate in Uniswap, you can buy Uniswap with the symbol UNI. Tokens representing liquidity can be reclaimed by LPs based on their investment. We hope this video has explained what Uniswap is and how it works. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We post videos covering crypto, stocks, NFTs, and blockchain topics. Thank you for watching.